Alright, lesson 3B for pre-calc review, radicals and rationalization. So we are just working on rationalize the denominators, and we sometimes have to rationalize the numerators to help us be a little more flexible within our calc problems. So first off, just rationalization means to get the radicals off the bottom or even the top of it to ask for the numerator. So the first one is pretty straightforward. It's 3 times root x. This is it's a monomial, so that means it's just going to be a simple root x to top and bottom. We don't have to worry about the 3 because the 3 is not a radical. So then it would just be 5 root x now, all over 3x, and that's all for that one. Okay. Next one is where they bring in the binomials. This is back to math 20 where we had to use the conjugate to get rid of the radical. So in this case we have root x minus 2, so we need root x plus 2 to top and bottom. Okay, so we're going to do that. So that gets our bottom to be x minus 4. That gets our top to be, let's see here, we'll do 2x times the root x. I'm going to kind of distribute at the top as well, plus 4x. Okay, when you kind of do that like this, x, and then the radical x, we also can think of as x to the 1/2. And that helps us put those together, so that it's actually be 2x to the 3/2 plus 4x. And you see they both have a 2x in common now, so to finish here we can pull a 2x out. We can make that x to the 1/2 plus 2 all over the x minus 4. So that's your simplest you can do for that one, for example 2. And then they switch gears on us here for example 3. They said rationalize the numerator. So now there's a radical in the numerator. So we're going to go ahead and rationalize that. So we have root x plus 2, root x plus 2. So we rationalize it. When you take the top, this is a good thing to do in calc. Before you go crazy and start foiling top and bottom, it's good to kind of take it step by step. Because if I foil out the top there, our top is nice, it's just x minus 4. Well, that's really nice because if we don't foil the bottom, we have a product like that with x minus 4 there. So we have a situation where, yeah, let's do that for sure. And we're 1 over root x plus 2 now. So it just makes our work a lot quicker, a lot easier than if we were to foil out the bottom, you wouldn't see it. Okay, and the last one here, express as a single fraction and rationalize the denominator. So 1/3 plus 1 over root x. So first off, we would like to go ahead and put these together first. So we're going to times by 3 to top and bottom here. Root x to top and bottom here. So we're dealing with root x, 3 root x, plus 3 over 3 root x. So we're dealing with root x plus 3 over 3 root x. Okay, and so then what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and hit the root x to top and bottom for the rationalization step. Remember that's going to distribute there. So the first piece there, root x times root x is just x plus 3 root x. The bottom here is just going to be simply a 3x. And that's it. Okay, that's all for lesson 3B here and in our pre-calc review.